Have you ever wondered what living on a boat looks like? If so, follow me. So this is the cockpit. This is where we do all the navigation and the steering. And this is actually also the place where we spend most of our time at, sipping coconuts. Now the interesting part, follow me. This is the navigation area, very important. And this is the saloon, which equals the living room where we chill, the space where we eat, and the galley, aka the kitchen, where we prepare all of our meals. And that's the fridge and the freezer. This is where the captain sleeps, and there's also a shower and toilet. This is our room. Here we have a lot of storage, and that has been our bed, but now it's used for storage. This is the forward head. Head is just a fancy word for toilet on boats. So toilet, shower, sink, and a lot of storage again. A toilet on a boat is not conventional because there's no button to flush the toilet, but you have to pump and to flush. And the most important, these lifesavers. So could you guys imagine to live on a boat?